Hello, everyone. Today, I would like to discuss the difference between usability and usefulness and how it affects the process of creating a professional-looking resume. In my research, I have investigated three popular applications, Canva, Figma, and Google Docs, to determine the best option for a novice designer. First of all, the user intention to create the resume would be effectively showcase design skills and work experience in a visually appealing and professional manner. In order to create those kind of resume, the application should be accessible, easy to use, streamlined, user-friendly interface, and it should be consistent. Who are our target users? Individuals who are entering the job market for the first time, those who are seeking a new job, and those who want to update their existing resume, which would be considered as a novice designer. So today, my research question would be, what is the most user-friendly option for a novice designer to create a professional-looking resume using Canva, Figma, and Google Docs? In order to do that, I'll look into the workflow, which can be described through action specifications of attributes. Let's start with Figma. While Figma is a visually appealing application, it also has some drawbacks. Mainly, it doesn't have continuous representation of the object of interest. When attempting to move a single text box, I encountered a continuous change from a pointer to dragger and dragger to a rotationer. It made it difficult to manipulate. And it still shows continuous representation of the object of interest with lack of discoverability and lack of intuitiveness in modality, which make it challenging for novice user. Since discoverability is an intuitiveness, which is really important for giving user to have the user-friendly interface, it seems to be addressed. Furthermore, Figma has a problem with articulatory distance, as it does not directly display the changes made to font through the interface right away. Moving on to Google Docs, I found that it lacks the user control and freedom in design. The application forces users to follow a fixed path and does not allow for much customization. This lack of flexibility can be hindrance for someone looking to create a visually appealing resume. Before we look into Canva, Figma, and Google Docs are all user-friendly tools that can be used to create a resume. However, each of these tools has its own strengths and weaknesses when it comes to usability for a novice designer. When we firstly look about Google Docs is a word processing tool that can be used to create a resume. It is easy to use and has a familiar interface, making a good option for someone who is new to design. However, Google Docs does not have the same level of design features as Canva or Figma, so a user may need to add graphics or design elements manually to create a more visually appealing resume. Therefore, its usability is just intermediate, while the usefulness is bad. Secondly, when we look into Canva, Canva is a graphic design tool that is specifically designed for non-designers. Its user interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, making it a great option for someone who has never designed a resume before. Canva offers a wide variety of templates and design elements that can be used to create a professional-looking resume, as we look into later. So therefore, its usability and usefulness is both good. Lastly, Figma is a more robust design tool that is ideal for web and app design. It is not specifically designed for resume creation, but its intuitive interface and design features make it a viable option for someone who's looking to create a visually appealing resume. However, Figma may be more challenging to navigate for a novice designer, as it has more advanced design features than Canva. Therefore, its usability is bad for novice designer, but its usefulness is the best usefulness features. So to address those problems, I found solutions based on Canva. So Canva provides templates and styles, which gives discoverability and intuitiveness and further learnability for its users. As this images, Canva provides templates and recent templates that the user used or recent designs that user used. Secondly, it also provides color palette suggestions, which reduce workload and time consumption for the users. Lastly, it's able to stylize on every single cell, which gives user a sense of user control and freedom. Lastly, for Figma or like other kinds of flexible design applications, provide notification or error message for setting the margins and paddings would be really helpful to get the H9 of Nielsen heuristics, which is help user recognize and recover from errors to make a ideal type of templates of the resume. For novice users, automated suggestions of color schemes, fonts, and style catered for job titles is found useful. Moreover, as Canva provides the users, providing templates which is customizable, pre-made, intuitive drag and drop interface would be helpful. In conclusion, for a novice designer looking to create a resume, Canva would be the best user-friendly option as it offers a wide variety of templates and design elements that makes it easy to create a professional-looking resume. The ideal solution for our novice user would be an application with automated suggestions for color schemes, fonts, and styles that are catered for job titles. The application should also provide customizable templates with a foolproof, guided, and streamlined drag and drop interface.